In this OneAi Freedom review, I'm going to be showing you a software that is claiming that it can give you access to all the trending premium AI software like DeepSeek, Gemini, then ChatGPT, and you can get the uncensored edition with a fraction of a very little price, which is $14.95, and you don't have to pay it monthly. So this is only like a one-time payment. So that's what they are claiming. So these trending premium AI product is going to cost you a lot of money, and they charge on a monthly subscription, but they are promising it for $14.95, which is a one-time payment. I'm going to be telling you guys if it's true or not, because I don't really think they could do it, because of the fact that these AI software, they cost a lot of money every single month to get the uncensored edition or the premium edition, but they claim to give you that for just a fraction of the price. Let's just see if it's true or not. Make sure you guys stay to the end of this review, as I'm going to show you the vendor. I'm going to talk about the vendor, also the different OTOs and upgrades, and also I'm going to be talking about his other products as well. So let's jump into the sales page and have a look at the sales page. So the premium AI softwares include DeepSeek, then you have Grok, then you have ChatGPT 4, then you have Gemini 2.0, then you have Cloud Pro, then Meta Llama, then Perplexity Pro, then you have Microsoft's Copilot Pro, Jasper Pro, then Mistral AI Pro. So you have all these premium AI tools that you're going to be getting with just a one-time payment. So how it works, you can grab access to the copy, you can generate, and you can sell and profit them. So what I like about the sales page is that they don't have like very scammy looking website. They don't have a lot of fake payment screenshot. That's one thing I like about it. So this is how the dashboard looks like. So these are the different AI softwares, and with the uncensored version. So that's nice. So I'm going to tell you what this uncensored means. So all these software are going to cost you a lot of money. So you can see they charged on a monthly basis into 12. That's what the amount you see here. You have Grok, DeepSeek, Perplexity, then you have Gemini AI, then you have Jasper, then Copilot, and OpenAI, and so on. So all of these cost a lot of money. So uncensored version means you can write about basically adultery stuff. So, and still ChatGPT 4 is going to answer to that. So usually ChatGPT doesn't answer to adultery stuff because it doesn't, but they have got the uncensored version in which you can get the reply. So this is the normal ChatGPT. So this is the ChatGPT 4, which gives you the answer. So apparently it has answered, and it goes for all of the software. So in DeepSeek, again, they didn't answer to this, and for the uncensored version, they did answer for this. So on. They have a lot of screenshot. You can go ahead and look at this. So these are all the AI softwares. The reason I think they can't do this is because, see, it's too good to be true. I'm going to tell you guys everything about that in a second, but before that, let's go all the way down and look at the price of OneAi Freedom. Okay, so this is where you can buy it. So it costs just $14.95. You also get like a 30-day money back guarantee. So $14.95, which is a one-time payment. You'll by the time I upload this video, you will see that this is active, and you can just buy it from here. But the reason why $14.95 is low is because they couldn't keep up with the cost of DeepSeek and all of the other softwares. So let me show you why. So if you go to the dashboard of Warrior Plus, so this is the vendor. This is the vendor that created OneAi Freedom. And if you look at the different OTOs and upgrades, you could be potentially seeing a lot of OTOs and upgrade, which is a big red flag, because The maximum number of OTOs and upgrades should be like 5 to 6, but this is just too scammy. Let me just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So they have 16 OTOs which you could be potentially doing. So guess the prices are also pretty high. So if you look, $23 and $197, $14, $47, then $14, $37, it just goes on the way all the way to like $297. So basically this one software claims that it can maybe do give you access to all these premium softwares, but at what cost? You don't really know the cost. You might get access to OneAi Freedom front end, which basically makes you get into the free version of ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and all of that. And if you want to get the uncensored version, you might probably have to pay for the OneAi Freedom agency, which is like $197. So remember, guys, this sounds too good to be true, and you will probably have to upgrade to higher amount. Maybe you have to upgrade all the way. You have to pay 14, then 23, then 197, then 14, 47, 14, 37 in order to get all the features of the premium AI. So all the where I can show you. Yeah. So all the software, in order for you guys to get it, or maybe you guys to access it, you will have to pay for all of these, which is a red flag. Usually the OTOs and upgrades are only like 4 to 5 or 6, but this has like almost 16 OTOs and upgrades. And they don't really talk about the OTOs and upgrades and the sales page, which is also a red flag. And also, the reason why I don't recommend this product is because OneAi Freedom is a new product of this WebEx Stream solution, and all of his past products have very little reviews. So if you look at the review section, it's out of 5 star, it's only like 1.28. Now, who's going to buy a product that is that low? But the sales are pretty high. If you look at the OneAi Freedom, the sales page is excellent. Anyone would have bought this by just watching the sales video, because the entire sales page is excellent. It's created really realistic. But even his other products are made like really realistic, and it also looks good. It looks too good to be true, and people kind of fall for these kind of scams. But if you look at this previous products, 1.28, then you have 1.5, then 1.5, then you have 1.47. It's not even 2-star review. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. So when this product gets launched today, within like 11 hours, by the time you're watching this video, it's going to be on the market. You're not going to be seeing this as a very valuable product, because this product is also probably going to come under this category where it gets less than 2-star. So that's the thing. It has got almost 264 reviews with like 1.76 stars in average. So that's very low, which is why I don't recommend this software, because if you can't trust the vendor, if he doesn't gives back the money within 30 days, then what's the point in actually getting the software in the first place? So this is why I don't recommend OneAi Freedom. So that's basically it for this video. Now, if you're still watching this video, if you're looking for a way to make big money online, I'm talking about $1,000, $5,000, or even up to $10,000 per month. If you're looking to make that kind of money, make sure you click the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.